Hi, this is my video of the ULanzi G9-1. Now this is a silicone case in black for the GoPro Hero 9 camera. Now it's very similar to the GoPro case, silicone case, which GoPro does, but with one thing extra. While the silicone case from GoPro, you do not get a cover for the lens, and with this you do get a cover. Now I purchased this off eBay for around about £4.50, which is very cheap. Now prices, by the time this video goes out, prices may have increased due to demand, so bear that in mind, but it is still far cheaper and built of the same quality as the GoPro silicone case. Now when you do get it, it just comes like with the ULanzi, with most of their stuff, especially with cases. You just get it in a nice plastic bag, and that's really good. It saves on the environment, and at least you don't have it all packaged up in a box just for a little rubber case. Basically, out of the box, or out of the bag may I say, you get the case here with the cover, and also this lanyard that you get with a adjustment part here for your lanyard, which is quite good. And the lanyard is quite thick. It's made out of a silvery nylon stroke cotton braiding material, with a nice little loop at the bottom end here, and as it says, the adjustment there. So it's a neck lanyard, not a wrist one. As for the case here, as you can see, it has all the cutouts for the front screen, the record button, the microphone, the other microphone at the side with its kind of drip feature or vent on there. As you can see, a marked button for the mode. On top we have the other microphone hole here, a raised part or for the button, for the record button, a hole for the lanyard, which is quite thick, I'll give it that, which is quite thick. And we have another port here. Now that hole there is for when you have the actual door of your camera off, it will be able to, and I'll show you there, you can actually fit this on there without the door if you want. It doesn't make it waterproof, so bear that in mind. It does not make it waterproof, so bear that in mind. But you can simply charge with your USB-C cord here, and that's what that hole is there for. And at the bottom we have the hole for the GoPro fingers in there, and the hole for at the back for the screen. Now coming to the cover that clips onto the front of the casing here, the cover has a suction cup at the back, which is really good, and a little hole here to put a lanyard in to attach to there. So, but you don't get this extra piece of string here to attach there. You do not get that at all. But one thing about this cover which I like, it is made out of thick silicone, probably a little bit thicker than the silicone making the outer shell of this case here. And because it has this kind of suction on there, placing this on the camera, once it's placed on the lens of this camera, it is hard, it is not that easy to get off, which in one way is good, because there are some manufacturers out there don't bother put this on there, and this simply drops off. So that is really brilliant. Now for the attachment of the loop, you simply thread the loop through the hole here. Now this is the most fiddliest part, because you have to thread the loop through the hole at the side here, on that side, and you have to thread that loop in there. I suggest that you use a needle, or better still, just take a paper clip, wired paper clip, straighten out the paper clip, fasten the loop to the top of the paper clip and just push that through. Once that's gone through, you can just take the paper clip out and you can just bring the other side of this through the loop and just pull on it, and then that will fasten. Because I tend to use, I really don't tend to use my cameras, my GoPro cameras with the lanyard attachment on there, so I don't really attach to it, put that on, place that on at all. But for literally under £5 off eBay, this ULanzi case for the GoPro Hero 9, in my opinion, is just as good as the GoPro one. I'd say even putting it slightly better than the GoPro one, because it has this protective cover for the case, and because it provides that nice little suction cup there, you will not lose this. Even if you don't want to use the case itself, it is great just to have the suction, this cap on there as a lens cap. Absolutely brilliant. So I'll give my thumbs up for this product from ULanzi, and go out and buy one. You do not get it in any other color. I've noticed you don't get it in any other color but black, but probably by the time when this video goes out, you probably get some other colors exactly like the GoPro one. Thanks for watching the video. If you like the video, please give it a thumbs up. If you don't, give it a thumbs down. I perfectly understand my videos can be long, but I like to go into detail to save you the trouble of when you buy the product, you know what to expect. So that's why my videos are long. Please subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you next time.